Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Snapchat my eyes only photos. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply access your Snapchat app, and once you open it up, this is how it's gonna appear. So afterwards, tap on this Bitmoji icon on top left and tap on the square icon on top right, and now scroll down till you get this section of support. Go ahead, tap on this I need help, wait till it loads, and simply have to scroll and tap on this direct option of contact us. Here in the section, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and choose this option of I think my account, like the first option. Now here in the section, you're going to be able to find this kind of form which lets you add in your username, email address, mobile number, and in the description finally you're going to write down the problem of yours, which is simply your snaps being removed from your my eyes only recovering. Go ahead, enter the email, the message properly, and tap on the submit in the bottom. You will be able to submit it and they will get back to you and let you know what further you have to do to require them. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.